Wait.
My scalp has moles, has scabs, and it's hairy.
So what you gonna tell the doctor?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I have scabs on my head because my mom told me I had some.
What are you doing? Taking your toe?
Yeah.
Can you put your toe on your forehead? That's pretty good. All right.
I can touch it. I can take my nose with my foot.
Really?
Yeah.
That's amazing. Where did you learn that?
I learned it by myself.
That's impressive talent you have there.
Okay, stop it now.